Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this beautiful 6x9 rug. Now this has kind of got that bohemian style, which is really pretty. I love how it's just almost like an antique-y bohemian. I love the coloring of it, but of course it comes in different colors. And it's only 0.3 inches thick, so like I can't grab it and pull it up or anything like that. So the mess is made, no big deal. You can easily get out a vacuum, clean it up, and it doesn't stick, which is fantastic. So that part is really nice. And you can even put this thing in the washing machine. So if you did have some big stains, have some pets that maybe cause some problems, put it in the washing machine, no big deal. Now it does have a really nice anti-slip grip on the back of here, but if you decide that's not good enough, they do actually give you these nice pads to be able to stick on both sides and stick it adhesive to the ground. So that's really nice that they add that extra. I haven't seen a rug that has done that before, so that is really great. Now you can see, a couple little creases in here right now, but over the course of time, those will all kind of just fade away. Looks absolutely beautiful. You've got some nice binding all the way around the sides here, but this is so soft and so comfortable. And with its low pile, I showed you with the robot vacuum, will I also go through this? Go underneath doors. So this would look great. I've got mine set up in my bedroom. You can put it in your living room, dining room, anything you want. It's a beautiful rug for any area.